If you have ever tried to learn about stocks and felt like people were just speaking another different language, I was there once, but don't worry. Today, I will explain these stock market terms in very simple way possible. So let's start. All Share Index, ASI. On the Nigerian market, this refers to the overall performance of all exchange run by the Nigerian Exchange Group. Think of All Share Index like a thermometer for the entire market. The All Share Index goes up, most stocks are doing well. If the All Share Index comes down, most stocks are struggling. So it answers one question: is the market generally healthy or not? Number two, bull market. A bull market means prices are all going up and people are so excited. Investors believe things will get better. Imagine land prices in Lagos suddenly rise everywhere. People rush to buy because it gets more expensive. That's the bull market. That is what it means. A bullish market means the prices are going up. Also, we have the bear market. The opposite of the bull market is the bear market. Prices are going down. The people are scared. Investors are selling because they think things may get worse. It's like when the property price starts crashing and everyone wants to really sell fast. So that is what a bear market means. Number four, we have the IPO. IPO means initial public offering. This happens when the company sells its shares to the public for the first time. Before IPO, the company belongs to the founder or private owners. But after IPO, anyone can own a piece of it, which is a share. Think of it like a family business opening ownership to outsiders. Come and buy part of our company. That is what it means. Number five, the stock and share. A stock or share means you own a small piece of a company. If it's so tiny, you are still the owner. If it's even one or two or three. If a company grows, your money grows. If the company struggles, your money will also struggle. 6. We have the bid price. Bid price is the amount a buyer is willing to pay for a share. For example, someone says, I will buy this share for 50 Naira. 50 Naira is the bid price. You get it? Number 7. Asking price or ask price. Ask price is what the sellers want to receive. Example, seller says, I will only sell this for 55 Naira. That is the asking price. When buyer and seller agree, the transaction then happens. Number 8, we have dividend. Dividend is the money a company gives for owning its shares. It's like profit sharing. Companies make money throughout the year. They share part of the money they make with their shareholders. You get paid without selling anything. Many Nigerian banks are known for paying dividends, and some companies also don't pay dividends depending on the company you buy their shares. Number 9, we have portfolio. Portfolio simply means all your investment put together, everything I've mentioned put together. If you own bank shares, oil company shares, fund, mutual funds, all of them combined together, they are your portfolio. Think of it like your investment basket. 10, we have the market capitalization, market cap. Market cap is the total value of a company in the stock market. It answers the question, how big is this company financially? Big companies have a huge market capitalization. Smaller companies have smaller capitalization. You don't need to be rich to understand how investment works, but you need to understand something before you can become rich. Most people avoid the stock market because of big grammars, not because it is impossible. If you understand these terms, you are already ahead of many people who are afraid to invest simply because they don't understand it. Knowledge builds confidence. Confidence leads to action, and action builds wealth. So if this make it clearer for you to understand stock market terms, comment below which term confused you the most before now, and subscribe to Chow Stock Money for simple money knowledge every Nigerians should know. Because here we turn complex money topics into simple wealth strategies.